Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon, everyone. The Seville Statement on Violence, drafted in 1986 by scientists and scholars from the world over, posited that humans are not inherently violent, that we are innately cooperative, and we do not wish to harm each other. And we all know that it is this innate goodness that motivates us to cooperate and assist, especially when precious lives are at stake. This is why Alianza is thankful for and notes the progress in cooperation and collaboration between states on SALW control processes. We are aware of laudable initiatives such as the establishment of Train the Trainers program on combating illicit small arms trafficking by the UN LIREC, the Regional Center and the OAS providing technical assistance on small arms destruction, the arms collection and destruction operations in Southern Africa, as well as specialized small arms training facilitated with the Southern African Police Chiefs Cooperation Organization, the marking of state-held small arms, and improved stockpile management in the Great Lakes region and the Horn of Africa, coordinated by REXA. The UNDP support to states of the former Yugoslavia and the former Soviet Union with arms destruction, stockpile management, and the strengthening of legislation support, and the compilation of ISACs, the International Small Arms Control Standards by the UN CASA, among many others. Alianza commends the cooperative ventures of states and the support that donor governments are providing to states and intergovernmental organizations in violence-prone regions of the world. We recognize that donor governments and agencies have provided some financial assistance for implementation of the UNPOA at the global, regional, and national levels. But it is a fact that hundreds of thousands of people die from armed violence in conflict and non-conflict situations every year. Dear delegates in this August hall, please allow me to remind you that the level of assistance provided by states to implement the POA has been massively inadequate, given the scale of the global small arms crisis. We learned this week from the Small Arms Survey that 12 countries make more than $100 million per year from small arms sales. And so I appeal to you, please give more. States are outlining their needs in their national reports. Please address those needs with matching resources. There are other areas that Alianza suggests we focus on to accelerate cooperation towards the more effective implementation of the POA. These are stockpile management, surplus disposal, marking and tracing, arms collection and destruction, establishment and maintenance of functioning national coordination mechanisms, enactment and implementation of appropriate SALW national legislations, strengthening the capacities of law enforcement agencies in violence-prone regions to prevent and combat the illicit trade in SALW, and communication systems between states on law enforcement issues. Finally, we appeal to concerned states to make the next necessary step, and that is to talk to each other before you leave this August chamber. Combating the illegal trade in SALW is a journey of thousands of miles. But a renowned philosopher had once said that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Let that step be taken this week, that lives may be saved now. Thank you very much.